You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the street in London. If you're visiting London, or if you want to learn more street names, neighborhoods in London that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. English pronunciation of this famous street in London, Savile Row, not far from the National Gallery, Mayfair, Marylebone. Savile Row. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.